Hello friends, this is Malinder, life coach, mind hypnotism channel Canada, motivational and meditation teacher. Friends, today my topic is life is a game and everybody is playing this game as per their own awareness and values. So friends, indeed life is a game. We all are players here. We all are in the drama of this life. Our life is, you can say, it is like a stage where we play our parts. We play, we tangle with each other, we make harmony with each other, and then we go. But what each person is doing, this really depends upon their level of awareness. That's why some people are remembered after many and many years their departure, and they are remembered as angels. They are remembered as good people. People pay respect to them even when they are not with them. But there are other people who are known as negative spreading people. There are people who make a positive difference in other people's life, but there are people who make a difference in other people's life but in the negative way, by spreading sadness, sorrow, and something which other people create hurt out of that. Let's take example. When people are serving the humanity, when people are helping somebody, when people are not judging people but accepting them as they are playing the game but at the higher vibrations and with the positive energy level. There are hundreds of examples which I can give, and I appreciate those people. Those are my role models. Mother Teresa, one of the best example I can give to anybody all the times, and we all agree with that. On the other hand, sometimes unknowingly, not purposely, but from the conditioning of the mind, people create hurt and negativity in other people's life by talking about other people's flaws at the back, by demoting other people, by putting other people down, by doing leg pulling, by trying to insult them so that they themselves can feel good. And we observe all these. From work to home, from school to college or to university level, we have that experience somehow. But end of the day, it creates frustration in the heart of somebody who is doing that. So again, we all are here to participate in the game of life, but we can choose at what level we have to participate. If we participate out of awareness, out of consciousness, out of being heartfulness, we can create love, harmony, peace in the world. But if we play this game out of our own low self-esteem, insecurities, fear, jealousy, envy, then we are participating in a very negative way in this humanity. It is not very difficult to change the conditioning of mind. It takes just one thought that how can I create a positive difference in other people's life? Once you give this one thought to yourself, your subconscious mind will start working on that and give you so many ideas which you can implement and make a difference in other people's life, so that people can remember you even when you're not here. So let's play this game of life with awareness, with love and compassion. Thank you so much for listening my video, watching my video, and be connected with us. We appreciate your support and your time. Be blessed.